Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove credit or debit card from TikTok. So if you ever link a credit or debit card to your TikTok account, maybe for coins, boosting, or purchases, and now you want to remove it for security or privacy, this is how you can do it easily. So first, you can just open TikTok on your and now go to your profile by clicking on here, click on the three dots icon and go to the settings and privacy. Now in here you can just navigate to the orders menu here under the account section, click on order, and then just find the payment method option. So you can just swipe in here and you'll spot the payment method, so click on that. So here you can see there the the list of payment method that you use on TikTok. If you have credit or debit card, it will be shown in here. And to remove it, you can just click on the remove options. So let's say this one is my card. You can just click on it and then you'll spot the delete payment method option. You can tap on that and then click on remove. But you need to know that if you remove the card, it won't be available to use for transaction, but you can always edit it again later if you need to. So just tap on remove to confirm, and that's it. So guys, that's how you can remove a debit or credit card in TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.